to wearing lashes, I think I have a beginner-friendly tip that just might help you get those beauty pageant lashes that you want. I'm going to start by lining my top lid, and I'm using my liquid liner, and this is by Rimmel. Let's put a thin line on that top lash. Not doing anything fancy, not doing a wing or anything like that. Just a simple line. All right, I've got one eye done. We'll do the other. All right, I'm gonna let that dry for just a minute. Also, be sure that you use black eyeliner. Any other color will look a little weird. The black eyeliner serves as a guide as to where I'm going to put my lash strip. Not only that, it will also camouflage that lash strip. As a beginner, that's important. You're getting the feel for putting on these lashes, so you don't want your lashes to be too obvious, but you can camouflage them a little bit if you've got a nice black liner there, and you can just lay the lash on top. Also, be sure that you use black eyeliner. Any other color will just look a little weird, and of course these are false eyelashes, but we want to camouflage as much of the false lash band as possible. So not only does the black eyeliner serve as a guide as to where I'll put the lash band, but it also is a great way to kind of hide that band so it won't be so obvious. When you pick out your lashes of choice, you will need to measure them against your eye. Make sure that they fit. Just take them off the package and lay them against your, lay one of the lashes on top of your eye. You want to make sure that it's not hanging over the side. That will be too long. And then you want to make sure that the inner corner is not poking or scratching the inner corner of your eye. Get some scissors and cut from the outside edge if the lash is too long. The lashes I'm using are my Ardell baby wispies. I didn't have to cut these. They are actually the perfect width or the size for my eyes, so I'm ready to put them on. All right, so take your lashes off the package. And these have been worn before, and like I said, these are my favorite lashes, the Ardell wispies. I've got my tweezers here, and I'm just going to put on a very thin layer of glue. Oops. Very, very thin along the lash line. And I'm putting a little bit more on the corner, on the outer edge, just to make sure that it holds very well on the sides. All right, another beginner-friendly tip: let your glue get tacky. So just let it hang out for about 30-45 seconds. I've even let mine get tacky as long as a minute. And the reason you want to do this, if you put the lash on your eye right now, the glue is too wet. It's going to slide all over the place and make your eye a mess. And if you've already put on your eyeliner, and if you have on a beautiful eyeshadow, it's going to mess it up. So just wait, give it some time to get tacky. My lash glue is tacky, and I'm ready to put them on. So I've got a mirror here, and I'm just going to look downward. Place the lash as close to my lash line as possible. And there you go. And you know, I have to be honest, when I first started putting on lashes, I thought that you were supposed to put them on your actual eyelashes. So for a really long time, I was gluing lashes onto my eyelashes, and it hurt so bad when I tried to take it off, and I couldn't understand why. Well, duh, I wasn't doing it right. So here you go. I've got my lash on. And I think it looks really good. All right, one down, one to go. See, everything on YouTube is not edited. This is real time putting on eyelashes in real time. Okay, so I got the second eyelash on and just gonna position it. What I'm doing is just kind of pushing the fake lash into my lash line. And then I want to just kind of squeeze my lashes into the fake lash. And there you go. Lashes are on. Now the final step, what I do, and it's optional, but I think it does just give you a more seamless look. I do have my mascara. I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara on my lashes to blend them in a little bit more with the false lash. Any mascara will do really. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And actually, I think it's time for a new one because this one seems a little dry. But there you have it. Lashes are on, and I think they look good. You can stop here, but sometimes I like to make my eyes a little bolder, so I will apply liner on the bottom. Now this is obviously not liquid liner. This is my Wet n Wild pencil. In black. So if you're new to lashes, I hope you're not intimidated. Please don't be intimidated. Putting on false eyelashes is not hard at all. But of course, practice makes perfect. If you don't get it right the first time, don't be discouraged. Keep on trying. I think false eyelashes just really, brighten you up, and they brighten up your eyes and make your eyes pop. All it takes is a few utensils. You need your lashes, glue, tweezers, and a good black eyeliner. It could be liquid eyeliner or a kohl pencil, but just make sure you have a black eyeliner and just give it a try. Comment below if you are new to lashes and if this video was helpful for you. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.